Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're the Fit Sisters.
I'm Rosie.
And I'm Lucy.
And today we have 5 exercises to help you get stronger for your pull-ups.
Absolutely, let's go.
The active hang is a brilliant movement to teach the initiation of a pull-up where the scapula is downwardly rotated. To build absolute strength required for pull-ups in your lats, we recommend the single arm row. Definitely include this one in your training programs. Banded pull downs, another movement to incorporate into your routine which will help improve your pull-up performance. It targets the lats and all the other muscles involved in pull-ups, and it contributes to building that muscle memory you need and strength. Negatives are the downward half of a pull-up, the part where you lower yourself from the bar. Slowly lowering yourself and maintaining control helps build the muscle and teaches your body the sequence of muscle movements involved in a full pull-up, gradually increasing your grip strength and endurance needed for that full pull-up. Finally, the hollow body hold is an excellent move for targeting your core. It will build the strength and stabilization you need to get that pull-up.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We really hope you found this video helpful.
We hope that you enjoy incorporating these exercises into your own training, and if you do, let us know how you get on in the comments below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.